Hello everybody. Today I am going to give you introduction of statistics subject which you are going to study in commerce. Now, when we talk about statistics, we talk about everything related to statistics. Now, what is statistics? Statistics is an ocean of data, ocean of information. And today, in this technocrat world, we are living where everywhere there is information and everywhere there is data. If you talk about right now, the situation of COVID 19 is going on every day. We tend to see, oh, this many people got affected by coronavirus and this many people died. So, what is all those numbers? All those numbers are related to statistics. So we find statistics everywhere all around the world. Whichever field you go to agriculture field, then you see business. Business is made up of data. Decisions are taken on the basis of data. Then in biology, in medicine, how many proportion of potassium, how many percentage of sulfur is to be added to make a medicine. So in the field of medicine, in the field of industry, even your marks are a part of statistics. So everything in all walks of life, human beings are surrounded by data and statistics and information. So it is a very important part of our everyday life. This subject is just like the subject of mathematics. One good thing is that it is a part or something related to mathematics and not wholly mathematics. And one good part is that we have calculators also. So that has made mathematics really very easy. You just need to go through and understand the concept and the formulas. Now, let us see from where this word statistics has originated. So the word statistics, some say that it has originated from a Latin word status or an Italian word statistica or a German word that is known as statistic. So the origin has come from these words, and a blend of all this in English has become statistics, which we learn. And it was given by a great statistician, Sir Ronald A. Fisher. Now, if we talk about the origin and the growth further, what is statistics? So, statistics is not just having data or having information. The first thing is collecting this information from the right source. So, collecting this from a right source is very important, because today we see on Google only, we find a lot of data and lot of information. Some are right, some are wrong, and some are a mixture of both. So we will always go for the data and collect data from an authentic source which we can rely upon, which we can trust upon. Then we don't want all the data maybe. So we will organize everything like the way we want. Then we will put some formulas and try to summarize and analyze the data, that actually what is the problem. We will find out what is the problem, and by solving the problem, as we used to do in mathematics, here also by solving the problem for which the formulas are already given, we will try to find out the solution by coming it to certain conclusions. So this is all about statistics and the definition of statistics, that what we ultimately have to do in statistics. Now let us see the meaning of statistics. As I said, statistics is related to numbers. Any numerical facts such as the number of people living in the particular area, the study of ways of, as I said, collecting, analyzing and interpreting the facts. So collecting from the right source, analyzing by the right formula and giving the solutions. Now again, a famous statistician, that is Croxton, and another one Cowden, has given the definition of statistics which we already saw, and that is, he says that statistics is a science. A science means a study of collecting the information, presentation, how we present it by different diagrams or graphs, analyzing it by using certain formulas. Like in 9th and 10th standard, you must be knowing that we used to find mean in statistics, median, mode. So we just have to apply certain formulas. We already have the calculator. We will calculate it and we will try to find a logical analysis of that. So all these things, the whole process is about statistics. Now, where do we find information? We find information from magazines, information related to sports. If we see over here, there is information of sports, that which team has done in what manner, right? So we see something about sports in magazines of it particularly. We find information on television. Every day we watch news. So that is what we are, why do we see news? To look at the statistics of the problem that is going on in the country or in the world or in any field of commerce or agriculture or anything. Then after getting the data, we try to analyze it by making it converted into some diagrams or graphs. So see, only statistics or only numbers are so boring. For example, how much Facebook has grown in the large markets in Russia, South Korea, Japan, India, and Brazil. So if we convert the data into this kind of diagrams, this is the bar diagram, then we get to know that the usage of Facebook in this particular in this particular countries are this much. So we talk about certain countries like Russia, Korea, Japan, the usage is not that much as it is in India and Brazil. So any lay person who does not have any like deep knowledge of statistics or mathematics can also come to know by just having a simple glance or view at these diagrams. So statistics makes the work of laymen, common people, very easy. Now again, this is a diagram. So we will have to draw certain diagrams, certain graphs on the basis of data, and this is really very easy because all the data are already given. We just have to plot and draw it. So this we will be learning in statistics, how to draw the diagram. Now let us see the scope of statistics. So anywhere, even if it is in your house, we tend to play with statistics. How? We tend to play with statistics like we form budget, કેટલી income છે, એમાંથી કેટલું expenditure છે, all these things we do in our house also. So scope of statistics is in industry, in commerce like business, agriculture, economics, education. In planning anything, whatever we plan about future, we plan on the basis of present data. So why has lockdown 4 also come? Because we have not coped up with COVID-19 coronavirus right now. Cases in India are still increasing. So Government of India has planned to increase and extend the lockdown. Alright. Then statistics and medicine are also interrelated. And statistics and modern application. In modern life, everywhere we need statistics. Right. So these are the scope and usage of statistics in different fields and different areas. Now, introduction of statistics, we see statistics everywhere. For example, if I talk about any survey or any study regarding population or poverty or unemployment, or even if you go to give a sample of your blood test માટે આપણે જઈએ તો blood testમાં પણ શું કરીએ છીએ? તો આપણે એ જે બ્લડ ટેસ્ટ કરે એના ઉપરથી જે રિપોર્ટ આપે તો રિપોર્ટમાં બધું સ્ટેટિસ્ટિક્સ જ હોય કે કોલેસ્ટ્રોલ આટલા % છે, શુગર આટલા % છે, હેમોગ્લોબિન આટલા % છે. સો વી ડીલ વિથ સ્ટેટિસ્ટિક્સ એવરીવેર. નાઉ વોટ ઇઝ પોપ્યુલેશન? પોપ્યુલેશન મીન્સ each and every unit under study. ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ મને કોઈ સ્કૂલની સ્ટડી કરવી હોય તો પછી મેં ત્યાં 11th સ્ટેન્ડર્ડમાં કે 10th સ્ટેન્ડર્ડમાં કે 12th સ્ટેન્ડર્ડમાં કેટલા નંબર્સ ઓફ સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ છે, ટોટલ એ લોકોને બુક્સ કેટલી આપવાની છે. સો when I ask how many, it is all about statistics. And if I study like અગર ક્લાસમાં 60 સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ છે, all 60 સ્ટુડન્ટ્સની હું સ્ટડી કરું, then that is known as study of population. Population means each and every one, not leaving anybody. Now, population થી બીજું આવે samples. It is every time not possible to study each and everybody under study. So what we will do is, we will select certain people or certain samples randomly without any bias or prejudice or partiality. So, and then we will study that sample. For example, अगर 100 people છે તો 100 માંથી say I will select 10 people from the class અને એ 10 પીપલને રેન્ડમલી સિલેક્ટ કરે. એવું નહીં કે ખાલી એ ઇન્ટેલિજન્ટ જ હોવું જોઈએ કે ઇન્ટેલિજન્ટ નહીં જ હોવું જોઈએ કે એવરેજ જ હોવું જોઈએ, રેન્ડમલી એનીબડી. એન્ડ આઈ વિલ સ્ટડી ધેટ સેમ્પલ. તો આજના જમાનામાં સેમ્પલિંગ ઇઝ રિયલી વેરી ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ બિકોઝ ઇટ સેવ્સ ટાઈમ, એનર્જી, મની એન્ડ ઇટ ઇઝ ફાસ્ટર. તો એ જે સેમ્પલ છે કે એવું હોવું જોઈએ જે આખા પોપ્યુલેશનને રિપ્રેઝેન્ટ કરે. એનું બેસ્ટ એક્ઝામ્પલ આપું તો આપણે જ્યારે બ્લડ ટેસ્ટ કરાવવા જઈએ ત્યારે આપણા બોડીમાં જેટલું બી બ્લડ હોય એ બધું એ લોકો લઈ નથી લેતા સ્ટડી માટે. ઇટ ઇઝ નોટ પોપ્યુલેશન સ્ટડી, ઇટ ઇઝ સેમ્પલ સ્ટડી. આપણા બ્લડમાંથી થોડુંક એક સેમ્પલ જ લે છે અને એ સેમ્પલ ઉપરથી ખબર પડી જાય કે આખા બ્લડમાં ટોટલ ઓવરઓલ આપણા બોડીમાં જેટલું બી બ્લડ સર્ક્યુલેટ થાય છે એમાં શું પ્રોબ્લેમ છે કે એમાં શું ડિઝીઝ છે, રાઈટ? સો ધીસ ઇઝ નોન એઝ સેમ્પલ સ્ટડી. Now we have two kinds of data. One is qualitative data and other is quantitative data. Qualitative data એટલે જેને આપણે નંબર્સમાં ઇઝીલી મેઝર નહીં કરી શકીએ. ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ, some quality, some attributes like gender, male, female, literacy. Now આપણે કે લિટરસી તો મેઝર થાય પણ કોઈ એક પર્સન કેટલું ઇન્ટેલિજન્ટ છે that we cannot measure. Religion, employment, આ બધા એટ્રીબ્યુટ્સ છે. અહીંયા નીચે એક્ઝામ્પલ છે, he is clever, he has lots of energy, he has long hair, he is brown and black. All these things comes under quality. Now we already saw the population and sample. Types of classification માં બીજું છે quantitative. Quantitative means that we can count in terms of numbers certain characteristics like height. We can measure height, we can measure weight. So something that is countable is known as quantitative data. In statistics, we are going to learn more about quantitative data. So you know this, right? The telemarking thing, જે 9th અને 10th સ્ટેન્ડર્ડમાં પણ આવેલું છે. તો this only we are going to do in statistics in 11th standard also as a base. From that, from telemarking, we will finding the frequencies. Then frequencies ઉપરથી આપણે અમુક વાર ટેબલ બનાવશું. There are two types of table. So this one is two-way table, means simple table. Then another thing will come and that is manifold table. So in manifold table, you have plenty of information like see, you have occupation, then male, female, that is another attribute is gender, and the third attribute is marital status, that is married, unmarried or total. So all these things we have to just analyze and classify into a manifold table. That is why its name is manifold, because it has many folds. All right. Now another thing that we are going to do in statistics this time is something that we have already done in the past, but we will see in depth, and that is mean, median and mode, that we have already done in the 10th standard in the subject mathematics and in the chapter statistics. And we will also see probability that we again saw in 10th standard. That was a very basic level. We will see that probability at a higher level in standard 12th. All right. So this was a glimpse of statistics, and it is really very scoring and easy chapter and subject.